A lot of my patients ask me whether it's okay to take probiotics if they're breastfeeding or they're pregnant. My first thing that I always say to them is whatever you want to take as far as supplements or medications go, make sure your obstetrician is aware, because that's the safest, is to keep everyone in the loop. In general, probiotics are a good idea for pregnancy and for breastfeeding, primarily because it helps with the immune function of the babies. It'll help with food allergies, eczema, and your own allergic symptoms, and keeping your system calm while you're pregnant and afterwards when you're breastfeeding. What's very specific is that you need to make sure that you get the bugs that are more benign, or they're much more easygoing and not having a potential for them to overgrow. Because during that time period, you don't want to be taking the really aggressive good bugs, because you don't want that to overgrow in yourself or in the baby. So there are certain ones to watch out for, and you need to make sure that you clear those with your obstetrician. General rule for safety-wise is to clear all your probiotics with your obstetrician and or your pediatrician once you've given birth. But in general, they are a good idea.